lying on your back. Handling pretty damn good, kid.
Thanks, old man.
I heard Clay got clear of everything.
Yeah. Thanks for the heads up. There's a little gratitude bump in the envelope.
Okay.
Guys killed your friend. It's been taken care of. Shit like that won't happen again. We together here?
Yeah. One big happy family.
You okay?
Yeah. Why?
I was going past the clubhouse yesterday. I saw these cops.
That was a bunch of bullshit. Got this ATF agent harassing us, following me. Showed up here. The guy's nuts. Looking for dirt that doesn't exist.
I'm just finishing up my rounds. Do you mind giving me a ride home?
Sure. What's going on?
Shitty day. My nerves are kind of shot.
Well, I'll be with the kid.
Thanks.
There you go.
Been waiting long?